I'm cooking for Deborah's Place, a shelter in the city for families. We also cook for Lawson House or Family Shelter. In Waukegan, Roberti Community Center, all over the city, orangetentprojects.org. We cook with Chicago Help Initiative. We cook with Catholic Charities. We cook at the Crib, which is a teen shelter. The Crib. Also night ministry.
Feeding how many people?
Today we're feeding 40. We got bread, turkey stew, and cookies. Your stew is done. Get it cool down.
As fast as possible.
As fast as possible.